Are you a homeowner looking to put your home on the market? If so, let me tell you 5 things you must do to maximize your home's value to attract top dollar offers. Hi, I'm Carrie Tanner, realtor with At Coastal Realty. Here are the 5 easy things you can do to get top dollar on your home. Number 1, clean and declutter. A clean and clutter-free home is more appealing to potential buyers. Clean your home thoroughly and remove any excess clutter to create a more spacious and inviting environment. Number 2, make repairs before putting your home on the market. Make a list of low-cost repairs that need to be done, like fixing leaky faucets, patching holes in the walls, and cleaning grout or replacing grout in kitchen and bathrooms. You may also want to consider doing a home inspection up front to see if there's any significant work that may need to be done. Number 3, enhancing your curb appeal. First impressions are so important, so make sure your home's exterior looks great by trimming overgrown bushes, lay ground coverings such as mulch, power wash the exterior of your home, and paint or wash away cobwebs from the front door. Number 4, staging. Staging can help potential buyers envision themselves living in your home. Rearrange furniture, add decorative touches, and create a cohesive look throughout the entire home. And finally, number 5, and I think it's the most important, price it correctly. In today's market as a seller, you need to remain competitive and price your home accurately. This is where having an experienced realtor to show you all the current market data and sold comps in your neighborhood is extremely important. If you would like additional tips on how to get top dollar for your home, or if you would like a free, no obligation home valuation report, give me a call or send me a message. Thanks for watching. I'm Carrie Tanner, the key to unlocking your real estate dreams.